How to use Reddit awards and coins. Want to appreciate a great post or comment on Reddit? You can give awards using Reddit coins. Let's see how it works. First things first, open browser and type www.reddit.com and log in if you haven't already. Now, find the post or comment you want to award. Click the award icon, a medal below it. Browse the list of awards. Some are free, other requires credit coins. If you need coins, click Get Coins and choose a package. Select your award, add an optional message and click Give Award. On mobile app, tap the middle icon under the post or comment. Choose the award you like. Purchase coins if needed. Add a message and tap Give Award. Bonus tip. Awards show appreciation and sometimes grant the recipient coins or special perks. Coins are non-refundable, so choose your awards wisely. And that's how you share a little Reddit love with awards and coins. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.